Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. What we are discussing? We are discussing about the grammar part. Yes, we have completed the verbs and the forms of verbs. Yes, children. Today we are going to learn about adverb kinds. What is adverb? What is an adverb? Adverb, the word which describes more or which tells more about the adjectives, verbs, or adverbs. Yes, children. Now, once again, I'm telling you, listen carefully. The word which tells more about the verbs or adjectives, that words are called as adverbs. That words are called as adverbs. See here, children, the word around and they tell us where or at what place the action is done. The adverb tells at what place the action is done and what time an action is done, how many times an action is done. Understood, children? And what extent or a degree the action is done. The word adverb tells what it tells, how the action is done, at what time the action is done, how many times the action is done, what extent the action is done. It tells. Adverb tells how, what extent the action is done. Yes, children. What place it is done and how many times it is done. The action. That words are called as adverbs. Means it describes more about the verb or adjective in a sentence. They are called as adverbs. Understood, children, everyone? We are having different kinds of adverbs. First, I will give you some example here. Tina dances gracefully. See here, children. Tina dances gracefully. Here, this gracefully, it is a adverb. Understood, children? There is a adverb. I said listen carefully. Carefully is an adverb. Understood, children, everyone? See here. It rains there every day. Where it rains, there. It is a place. Okay, children? It seldom rains in the desert. Means how often it is done. How often the rain comes. Okay, children? See here, now we are going to learn about kinds of verbs. What are the kinds of verbs, children? Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency. Understood, children, everyone? And adverb of degree. Everyone, how many kinds of adverbs are there? We are having 5 kinds. See here, children, what kinds are there here? Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of degree. First, we are going to learn about adverb of manner. Here are these words that tell how that is happened. Means how manner. How or the manner in which something happened. Means what? In what manner something is happened. Adverb of manner tells that in what manner something is happened. See here, the students marched smartly. Here what it is? Smartly. Students marched smartly. Smartly is a adverb of manner. Understood, children? See here, the friends parted sadly. Sadly is an adverb of manner. Means what? Here how? What manner it is done? Sadly. Yes, smartly. These are the manners. Adverb of manner. In what manner it is happened. The action which is happened in what manner. That word is called as adverb of manner. See here, children. He reads the map carefully. Do not eat greedily. You know, carefully, greedily. These are the adverb of manner. Understood, children? Now coming to adverb of place. We are going to learn about the adverb of place. Adverb of place, what happens here? It tells where it is happened. Where something happened. See here, the cat crept upstairs. Where it is happened, children? In the upstairs. Yes. Our friend live nearby. Where he lives? Nearby. Yes? The dog rolled over on its back. The dog rolled over. The trees looked so small far below. Far means the far below. Okay, this is about the adverb of place. Adverb of place, what it tells? It tells the words which tells where something is happened. That is, the words are called as adverb of place. Understood, children? Now coming to adverb of time. Adverb of time, what it tells? These words tells us about the time when something is done. When something is done. Example, I have watched the movie recently. I have watched the movie recently. Recently means what? Yes, that is a time when you have done that action. Yes, children. The teacher will ask you the questions afterwards. Teacher will ask you the questions afterwards. What it is afterwards? Time. When the action is going to done. When the action is done. These are the when the time. That is called as adverb of time. Time when something is happened. Example, the mail was delivered today. The singer will be on stage soon. Here soon. It is the adverb of time. Adverb of time tells where something is happened. At what time it is happened, it tells. At what time means not 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, not like that, children. It tells that what it is recently, afterwards, like this it tells. Okay, children. Now coming to adverb of frequency. What is adverb of frequency? This tells how often something happens. Means how many times it is happening, how often it is done. See here, the brother bakes a cake sometimes he is done. I asked you, are you seeing videos continuously? What you will tell? Man, sometimes I'm seeing. What is that sometimes? Means you are doing how much, when, how many times you are doing that work. That is adverb of frequency, means how often you are doing that work. Yes, sir. The action, whatever it may be, in these kinds, how the action is done, where the action is done, in what manner, in what extent, how often it is done. Adverb tells everything about the verb or adjective. Understood, children? Now coming to adverb of frequency, we have done. Now adverb of degree. What is the adverb of degree, children? Say, here I said degree. Ma'am, degree it is? No. These are words that tell us the degree, means intensity of the action. Means I almost dropped the glass. She nearly missed the flight. I know the poem completely now. It has rained enough. Means what? Some extent it is. Intensity of the action, how it is done. Okay, children. Now here, what we have learned, children, today about the adverbs and kinds. What is the adverb? Adverb which describes, the word which describes more about the verb or adjective. The word which describes more about the verb or adjective. They are called as adverbs. Now, kinds of adverbs. What are the kind of adverbs, children? Adverbs of manner, adverb of time, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, adverb of place. These are the 5 kinds of adverbs. First, adverb of manner. It tells about the adverb of manner. What it tells? It tells what, yes, in what manner it is done. Adverb of manner tells in what manner the action is done. Adverb of time, in what time it is done, where it is done. Place, it tells where it is done. Time tells when it is done. Frequency, in what, how often it is done. Adverb of degree tells intensity of an action. Understood, children? Now here, adverb is used after a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. See, it has rained enough. Rained is a verb. Enough is an adverb. It is hot. Hot enough. Enough. Hot is a adjective. Before the adjective is before the adverb. Funnily enough, she has not said a word. In this also after an adverb. Here funnily is an adverb and enough is an adverb. See here, enough as an adjective is used before a noun. It is as an adjective, it is used before a noun. See, I could not get enough coffee for the two of us. Here, enough is used as an adjective before the noun. Enough coffee. Here, enough is an adjective. Coffee is a noun. Okay, children. Enough is also used as a pronoun. See, I expected many people, but there are not enough. Here, enough is used as a pronoun. Understood, children? Enough is used as a adverb, enough is used as an adjective, and enough is used as a pronoun. Understood, children? Now, what we have learned today, we have learned about adverbs and kinds of adverbs. You can, now I will show you the worksheets. Do the worksheets properly, write it in your classwork books and keep it properly and carefully your books where you are writing the grammar part. Okay, children? Circle the adverb, see here, a bit, circle the adverb and underline the words. Underline the verbs they add meaning to. The first one has been done for you. See, it has rained enough. Here, has rained. Verb, adverb is enough. The students recited the poem loudly. The painters will paint the house tomorrow. The bus driver waited patiently for the signal to turn green. They will launch the book soon. All the children ran downstairs on seeing the ice cream man. Yes, children. Write down, underline, circle the adverbs and underline the verb. They add meaning to it. Okay, children. Do it. Fill in the blanks with the suitable adverbs from the box. Also write their kinds. See, enough, extremely, daily, usually, quite, annually, always. Almost, completely, never. Right, first one. Zumba classes are held in the clubhouse. Second one. The plane had dashed landed when it started raining. Third one. I did not go swimming as the water was dash cold. My mother dash goes for a run in the morning. Are you old dash to drive a car? My parents pay their taxes dash. Seventh one. Malika is dash late for school. She is very punctual. Eighth one. Vihan is dash fit getting around in the class. Ninth one. This new book is dash interesting. The coach was not dash satisfied with the team's performance. See here, children, write down. Complete these two bits.